As warming and protecting as a fire can be, it also holds many dangers if not controlled properly. In case of a fire, there are 3 objectives to achieve. Prevent the fire from spreading into bordering rooms and onto other levels. Secure escape and emergency routes and ensure the functioning of important electrical systems. If cables are routed through walls, the fire protection properties must still be complied with. Sealing systems from OBO Bettermann fulfill these functions securely. Cable bandages prevent the spread of fire via cable systems. 2 versions ensure the highest level of safety in dry or wet environments. OBO Bettermann provides the best solutions for any environment and type of application. Escape routes must work in the case of fire. OBO's escape route installation systems have proven that they work under exposure of fire, meaning there is no danger of fire protection ceilings dropping down. Fire protection ducts protect escape and emergency routes against cable fires. Safety-relevant electrical systems require special cable routing. OBO's tested support and routing systems guarantee, together with the safety cables, the maintenance of the power supply for up to 90 minutes. Minimizing damage and protecting lives with OBO Bettermann.